Kasi, syempre, figurative yun, ano. Alam nga naman, pupunta pa ako doon, tapos, bubugbugin po niya. Hindi naman, no. I think the point of the presiding officer is a call for more patience on my part, because tama naman siya, there is a generational gap, no. Not only is there a generational gap, there's a gap in experience. 48 years na ako sa practice. I have no idea what her practice is. And she did say that ang practice niya ay court of tax appeals. Hindi naman litigation. So, yeah, let's give more patience.
Attorney, do you think may anger issue ba yung defense si Attorney Christine? Naging galit eh.
No comment na lang.
Ma'am, what hurt you the most? Is it the demeanor, the argument, the procedure, the manner, the method? What was it?
All of the above.
Which one in particular, the most, ma'am?
All of the above.
But
No.
is it
So
necessary?
what to me, the prosecution really is doing everything to simplify procedures. That's why we ask for stipulation. To be more direct sa mga examination namin. Nakita niyo naman na direct ang examination namin when we present our witness. No? Because the intention really is to simplify matters for the impeachment court. Because sabi nga nila, they need more time to legislate. Wala na silang oras. On the other hand, while we are here, nakita nyo sa grave threats, nagpapasalamat tayo, nag-file na ng NBI, no? Ng grave threats. But sa grave threats, nakita nyo, from 10 or 12 witnesses, ilan ang witnesses lang namin sa grave threats? 3, di ba? Because all the other witnesses became unnecessary. Kasi klaro naman yung testimony ng 3 witnesses namin. And that's what we're trying to do also here in the confidential funds. Whereas dito nagsisimplify kami and doing everything possible para hindi masyadong technical, they're going on the technical side. Even introducing laws na hindi naman kasama dito. National Internal Revenue Code tungkol sa gross income, how is that relevant to COA? Isa pa, anong itsura ng receipts? Ba't natin pinag-uusapan ng receipt? Wala nga kayong sinabit na receipts. Beyond that, let's listen na lang because I don't want na sabihin nila sub judice. No? But yes, if I sounded impatient, I guess it's a function of age.
But would you consider this as a delaying tactic?
I don't know if it's the delaying tactic, but we leave them to their own strategy. With the caution that the more they delay, the more magagalit, the more they prolong cross-examination. Na kinaklaro na nga, the presiding officer is very efficient. Si Senator Cheese is very efficient in trying to summarize. Kasi kung minsan, puro preliminary, 6, 5, 10 questions, wala kayong question. So we are thankful that the presiding officer, Cheese, is also trying to aid in the clarity of the cross-examination questions.
Where do you draw the line between your opposing counsel being argumentative and being disrespectful?
It depends. Sometimes argumentative, sometimes disrespectful. Is a function of what is the question. Kasi yung question, pag nag-argue na, argumentative. Yung disrespectful naman is the manner of mentioning
Where
it.
is she more leaning towards?
I will not comment.
But what do you feel, Attorney? Because it seems like she's very disrespectful to you as marami na kayong experience, siya medyo baguhan pa.
Alam mo, lahat ng mga anak ko lalaki, no? Sanay na ako sa mga disrespectful. Kaya lang, yung mga anak ko, pinalaki ko to be respectful. Sana siya din.